What is spirituality? The question itself has already the answer, isn't it? And we are still searching outside of us. We are so conditioned with different conditioning. Like if you do this, then it will happen. If you don't do this, then this will not happen. If you are doing this, because of that something happens. We are so conditioned from day to night. We are so busy with this busy world. Every day we wake up early in the morning, we do something that can fulfill us. We do something, we speak about something, we think about something that can fulfill us. But is it something that really it fulfills us? No, right? Then what it is? What are we exactly looking for? What are we exactly striving for? During my spiritual awakening journey, once I asked the Grandmaster of Himalayan that what is spirituality? And he said, spirituality is everything that you see around you, that you feel around you, that you believe around you. What does that mean? Those answers, I was always looking outside of me. It took such a long time to understand about this term. The whole universe has infinite abundance. The whole universe has infinite information, infinite cultures, infinite languages, infinite objects, infinite things. And how it would be possible for someone to understand these infinite possibilities, infinite wisdom within a month, within an hour, within a year, or within this journey, this life journey? Then the question arises within us why we are thinking outside of us that something is going to fulfill us. Why are we thinking that something there, outright there, is going to give us some peace, some happiness, some joy? Why are we thinking? Isn't it something coming from our mindset? If our mindset is always looking for some lackingness inside of us, then of course everything around us we can see there is something lacking. There is something less what we have. That's what is spirituality teaches us. When this societal conditioning that has uprooted in our mindset is keep on saying that you are something different, then of course you need to accept yourself that you are different. That means all the negative things that you are thinking is also the part of you. All the positive things is already inside you, is also part of you. You are just a package, one package. All imbalances and balances are the package. Look the universe within you because you are as whole. If there is something not less, then there is nothing more into you. That's what you are. You need to accept yourself. You need to speak about yourself. You need to think about yourself. You need to believe about yourself that you are someone is unique, very unique. And also you have every infinite possibilities to think about yourself. You have everything that you can achieve for yourself. You have everything that can survive for yourself, the whole journey. Spirituality can teach you to build yourself. Spirituality will teach you to how to believe yourself. Whatever you are looking outside of you, maybe it is peace, joy, or happiness. That's what the spirituality is going to teach you, that look within, bring the joy, bring the happiness, bring the peace, bring the tranquility within you. That's where the spirituality starts and spirituality ends. And now you might have a question that how to start with spirituality. And the question itself starts within you. Already you are seeking some answers. That's why this question has already arisen within you. And universe will bring you all the answers that you are seeking from now onwards. You might have the question that what to do with spirituality. My answer is just gain some knowledge why you are living this life. Start questioning yourself. What is the truth of your life? What is the deeper meaning of your living life? What is the purpose of your living life? Who are you? What are you? And why are you here? spirituality will start within you. And probably you will find answer within you is nothing.